Hi, today on Great Taste of Las Vegas, we're going to make shrimp egg foo young. We're going to prepare the vegetable to put it in. The shrimp is cut really nicely. You don't have to do much about that. Just sprinkle some salt on it, a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce. So make sure the shrimp is all marinated in that sauce you just put. Yeah. We put about 5 eggs in here. A little bit of salt. Old Bay seasoning. This has mustard seed, celery seed. So we use these 6 shrimp already in there. We will drop into the egg that we already have. I'm going to soak these in water. I go ahead and microwave for 1 minute and 23 seconds. Then we will put some onion in there, and we use some of the noodle as well. Noodle that with some flour to make egg foo young. Okay. Also use some breadcrumb. So the new dish, this is your egg foo young dish. So we just oil it and fried it because they already good the way it is. So we're gonna pour some hot oil, enough for the egg foo young to cook. So about 3 ladder. In the egg foo young, just add a little bit of garlic in it. And then some pepper. Add a little bit of green onion to make the green color pop out. And some flour in here too. Okay, drop this in. This is your shrimp egg foo young. Turn it down to low so shrimp can cook through. So it doesn't burn the egg, and put a lid on. Okay. So we'll check on the egg foo young right now, okay? Look like it cooked through. We should flip it now. You can put a lid on so it cook faster. Same low heat right now. And then we can serve that. Okay, the egg foo young is now cooked. We can turn everything off. Just take a few minutes, that's all. Take it out the pan. This is your shrimp egg foo young, a little bit of pepper on top. Hope you enjoy the programming.